Hey guys, welcome. This is how to back up sticky notes. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and go to your start menu and search for the sticky note software. And now just simply click on it to open it up. And now from here, as you can see, it is a very simple notes. And you can just simply select the gear icon, which is the settings over here on the top right. And now from here, guys, if you have not logged in yet, just make sure to sign in into an account. So guys, you cannot do a backup if you don't have an account signed in. So just make sure to sign in. So pretty much you should be able to sign in once you go through the settings over here. And after that, once you are signed in, you should be able to see here sync now. So when you select sync now, guys, it will automatically back up into your Microsoft cloud and you should be able to be good to go. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.